Joined? Yeah, I missed you, Keshav. Where is happy face?
Missed you, ma'am.
Yeah, I missed you a lot. Happy face.
Madam, ma'am, I
Yes.
have stomach pain.
You have stomach pain now. Is it okay now? What happened, Keshav's mom?
It's a, don't know, ma'am. It's a gastric problem, I think.
Oh, now he's okay?
It's a better.
Okay. Had your breakfast, Keshav?
Yes,
Kalya?
ma'am.
Very good, Keshav. Drink lot of water, okay? Drink more water. Okay? Then you'll be all right. Okay, Keshav?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, Keshav. Take care, Keshav. Okay. Next children is happy face. Come on, take your happy face cut out. Happy face. Mahini. Keshav, very good, Keshav. Happy face. Yellow color, happy face. Very good. Well done. Good. Okay, children. That's it. Over. Keep your cutouts aside. Stand up, join your hands, and close your eyes. Let's start our session. Come on. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Mahini, repeat after ma'am, Mahini. Okay? Kids the anthem.
Xiang
You are within me.
are within me.
You are infinite.
You are nice.
You are unique.
You are unique.
My potential inside.
My person is inside.
You are the wings
You are the wings
beneath my flight.
beneath my flight.
You define me.
You define me.
My potential inside.
My potential is inside.
Today I pledge
Today I bless
with all my might.
with all my might.
I shall achieve you.
I shall do
My potential inside.
my potential is inside.
Yes, open up your eyes. Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good morning. Good. Very good morning. Good morning. Aloud, good morning, everyone. Okay, stand up, don't sit down. Be ready for the warm up activity. Come on. Don't sit, stand up.
What's going on?
Run, 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 run. Run fast. Run, Rabiani, run. Run fast, Rabiani. Run, all of you. Please, be careful.
Ding, ding. Da, da, da. Ding, 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 da, da. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding.
It's very good, children. All of you drink water and come back for attendance. Come on. Drink water. Dashwan. Dashwan. Okay. Hazel. Hazel. Absent. Jason.
Here I am.
Very good, Jason. Good morning, Jason.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yeah.
You got
Keshav.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Keshav. Radhyani.
Here I am.
Very good, Radhyani. Rudvin.
Here I am, ma'am.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good. Who's that? Rudvin? Radhyani. Okay. Rudvin is absent. Sarah. Sarah. Sri Ananya.
Ma'am.
Who's that?
This is
Sri Ananya. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay. Sukriv Gautam.
Here I am.
Very good, Sukriv Gautam. Visha. Visha. Very good, Visha. Kavi Kartika.
Say Kartika.
Kavi Kartika. Many didn't join, huh? Mahirni.
Yes, ma'am.
Here I am.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good. Mitra. Mitra.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Mitra. Taruneshwar.
Here I am.
Very good, Taruneshwar. Varsha. Varsha. No. Vihan.
Here I am.
Very good, Vihan. Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti, I'm marking you, Madhuvanti.
சொல்லு சொல்லு சொல்லு
Madhuvanti. Very good, Madhuvanti. Okay. Children, shall we all have a recap of rhymes? Yes? 1 minute, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma, 1 minute. Okay, now, first is 5 senses rhyme. Okay, so this only is our culmination 1 rhyme. So, first is 5 senses rhyme and next is the family rhyme. So, these 2 rhymes you have to be very clear, children. Family rhymes and 5 senses rhyme. First is the 5 senses. I have 2 eyes that can see. I have 1 nose that can smell. I have fingers that can touch. They make me feel things pretty much. I have 2 ears that can hear and 1 tongue that helps me taste. These are all my five senses. These are the things I should not waste. Okay, and the next rhyme is family rhymes. Mummy, daddy, I love you. You love me too, and care for me too. Brother, sister, let's all play. Sing and dance, laugh and prance all through the day. Grandma, you're so sweet. I'll give you hugs and give you kisses when we meet. Okay, so these two rhymes you have to be very clear, children. Okay, from next week onwards, everyone will be singing these two rhymes. Okay, fine. And then another rhyme I taught you. Two little eyes to look around. Next. Two little ears to hear the sound. One little nose to smell what's sweet. One little mouth that likes to eat. Yes? Okay, children. Now it's time for our phonic rhyme.
I'm
Phonic rhyme,
sorry
ma'am is
to
going to play. You are going
interrupt.
to do the actions correctly. Okay,
I'm
yes,
sorry to
Jason?
interrupt, ma'am.
Yeah?
Can you send that census rhymes, ma'am?
Five senses rhyme today I'll send.
Thank you, ma'am.
Audio,
Just the rhymes lyrics, ma'am.
Lyrics is in books itself, in
Okay.
your rhymes book. It's given
Okay.
in your rhymes book.
Okay.
Okay, children, come on. I want to see everyone doing action for the phonic rhyme, okay?
With Byju's app, children remember their concepts forever.
Answer my arm, answer my arm, answer my arm, they're causing me alarm.
Next is B.
Bring your bat and bring your ball, bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play.
Next is C.
We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum.
E.
Eggs in a pan, eggs in a pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this,
F.
My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hold, the egg came out.
G.
The water gurgles down the drain, the water gurgles down the drain, the water gurgles down the drain with a gurgle.
H.
I like to hop, 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 up and down.
Oh my God. Okay. There's some audio problem in my mobile. We'll play you afterwards. I'll sing for you, children. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. Ha, 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 ha. What is the action for H? Ha, okay. Next is I. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. What is the action for I? Ink is wet. Okay. Next is J. What is the action for J, children? J. What is the action? Very good. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja. Very good. Next is K. What is the action for K? K. K, what is the action? Very good, Jason. Kites, very good. Kites are flying in the sky. Ka. Kites are flying in the sky. Ka. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Ka. Next is L. L. What is the action for L? L. What is the action? Let me see who does it correctly. Very good, Vihan, Marilini, Ananya, L. Very good, Keshav, Varsha. L. Lollipop. You have to remember lollipop. L for lollipop, okay? L. We lick a lollipops. We lick a lollipops. We lick a lollipops. Next is M. What is the action for M? M. What is the action? Rub your stomach. Very good, Ananya. Mom and the dad makes many meals. Mom and the dad makes many meals for their hungry children. N. What is the action for N? What is the action for N? Very good, Mailini, Vihan, Ananya. Very good. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. Very good. Next is O. What is the action for O? Come on. Sukri, what is the action for O? What action will you do? Phonic action. Very good, Taruneshwar. O. Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh. Next is P. Kavi Kartika, turn this side. P. What is the action for P? Pa. What is the action? Pa. Very good, Ananya. P. Pa. No, Taruneshwar. P like this. Pa. Okay? Puff for the candles on the pink cake. Puff. Puff for the candles on the pink cake. Puff. Next is Q sounds quer. Okay? Quer. R. What is the action for R? What is the action for R? Very good, Varsha. Jason, what is the action for R? See my dog, he ripped the rag. See my dog, he ripped the rag when he pulled so harsh. Next is S. What is the phonic action for S?
The snake is in the grass.
Snake is in the grass. Very good, Mailini. Next is T. What is the action for T? T for tennis. What is the action? How will you play tennis? Ta. When I watch the tennis play, ta. When I watch the tennis play, my head goes back and forth. Next is U. What is the action for U? Umbrella. U.
Gumlas, up, gumlas, and it starts to rain.
Very good, Mailini. Next is V. V. What is the action for V? Drive Vix van round the village. Drive Vix van round the village. All of you drive a van. Drive Vix van round the village. Ooh. Okay? And then W. What is the phonic action for W? Anyone? Very good, Ananya, Mahini. Good. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the clouds moving. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the kites flying. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the trees bending. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The wind is blowing strong. Okay. Next is X. Sukriv Gautam, what is the action for X?
Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray.
How will you take photo, children, with camera? How will you click photos with camera like this? Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand. Next is Y. Yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah. Okay. Next is finally we have Z. Have you ever heard a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Have you ever heard a bee buzz, buzzing like this? Okay, now all of you come on, take your calendar. Let's finish off with the date. What is the date today? Anyone? What date is today? Who knows? What is the date today? Yes, that is day, I know. What is the date? Date 1919 Monday. 1919 Monday. Come on, all of you color the date 1919 Monday. Very good. Jason's calendar is very colorful. Very good, Jason. Good morning, Dashwan. Joined, huh? I marked you absent, Dashwan. Wait a minute. Anyone who else has joined now? 1 and 9. See here, this is 1919. Radyarni. Look at the three. 1919. This is 1919. Kavi Kartika, sit in one place. Come on, sit down. Why are you moving, Kavi Kartika? Sit down. Take your calendar and color today's date. Varsha also joined.
Wait, ma'am.
Yeah, 1 minute. Very good, ma. Very good, Keshav. 1919. 1 and 9. Identify the number 1919. Very good, Visha Sai. Very good. 1919, you didn't color, ah? Colored, orange, ah? Very light. Yeah, very good. Well done, children. Yes, very good, Mitra. Good. Madhvanti. Madhvanti, why you have colored date 27 and all? Why? ஏன் 27ல கலர் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க மதுவந்தி? By mistake, Jason, are you coloring every day, Jason?
Yes.
Yes, are you coloring every day? 17 and 18 also you colored? Very good boy, Jason.
Thanks.
Sukri Gautam, let me see your calendar. Hold your crayon properly, Sukri. Don't hold like that. Hold it like a pencil and color. 1919.
Where 19, Sukri? 1919.
1919. It's in his mouth. Let me see. Went inside your mouth. Sukri, 2 mosquitoes went inside your mouth. 2 mosquitoes. Finished, Vihan.
Kuti, no, Kuti.
Come on, color, everyone. Finish. Very good, children. Well done, all of you.
Hold on.
Yeah, very good.
Hold
Now
on.
all of you look here.
Hold on.
Numbers. Okay, keep your calendars aside. Keep your calendars aside.
Hold
Mute
on.
yourself, everyone. Mute yourself. Parents, I need 13 countable objects like channa, groundnut, cashew, badam, whatever you have. 13 in numbers. 1, 3, 13. Okay, by the time we finish this road counting, you can prepare that. Okay? 13. I need number 13. Okay, now all of you look at the numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. How will you say 10? 1, 0, 10. And here 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. So separately you have to say the numbers when it is coming to number 2-digit numbers. Okay. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. Okay, now ma'am is going to write some numbers and show you. You are going to answer what number is that. Okay, children, are you all ready? Look at the screen. Don't look here and there. Ready, all of you? Come on, answer it correctly. Okay, what number is this? What number is this?
சொல்லுங்க.
5. 5. Very good. Number 5. Very good. Now the next number. What number is this? 8. Very good. 8. Well done. Okay. Now next number. Okay, mute yourself. I'll ask one by one. Come on, mute yourself. Let me ask one by one. First is Keshav. What number is this, Keshav?
9.
Very good, Keshav. Kavi Kartika. What number is this?
7.
Very good. Next is Madhuvanti. What number is this?
10.
Parents, please don't teach them. This is identification activity. Then there is no use of conducting this activity. Even if they are saying wrong also, okay, I am there to help them. Please don't teach them. What number is this, Madhuvanti? Madhuvanti.
10.
10. 1, 0, 10. Like this you have to say, okay? And next is Mahini.
Yes,
Mahini.
yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
What number is this, Mahini?
என்ன நம்பர் சொல்லுங்க
1.
ம் சொல்லு சவுண்ட சொல்லு என்ன சொல்லு
1, 1. 1, 1.
என்ன
What is 1, 1?
சொல்லு
1, 0.
1, 1, 0. 1, 1.
1 என்ன எந்திரிச்சு சொல்லுங்க 1 என்ன
1,
ம்
Hmm.
என்ன 7 இல்ல சரி மேம்
1, 1. 11.
11
1, 1, 11. Okay, next is Mitra. Mitra. 1, 2, 1 to
1 to 20.
1 to 20. 1 to 12. Okay, 1 to 12. Okay, next is Jason.
No, I don't say.
Jason.
இது சொல்லு.
I don't say. I don't say it.
சரி ஆல்ரெடி சொல்லிட்ட இப்ப சொல்லு
What is it?
இன்னொருக்கா.
1, 1.
சொல்லு.
What were you woman?
Very good. 1, 1, 11. Very good, Jason. Radhyani. Radhyani. 1, 0, 10. Like this you have to read. Okay. 10. Very good. Thank you, Radhyani. Next is Ananya. 1, 3.
3,
1, 3.
1, 3,
1, 3.
1,
13.
13.
Yeah, 1, 3, 13. Okay, children, all of you, one more time, I'm going to teach you the numbers. 1, 1, 11. Repeat after ma'am, children, everyone, but don't unmute yourself. Definitely, you should repeat. Parents, please make them that they are repeating after me. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. Ananya, repeat after ma'am. 1, 6, 16.
1, 4, 16.
1, 7, 17.
1, 7, 17.
1, 8, 18.
1, 18.
1, 8, 18.
18.
Loud.
1,
1,
8, 8, 8, 18.
18.
1, 9, 19.
1, 9, 8.
19.
19.
1, 9, 19.
2, 0, 20.
1, 0, 20.
2
2, 0, 20.
2. Say 2.
2, 0, 20.
2 0
Zero.
20 சொல்லு.
20. Okay, 2, 0 is 20. So today we are, yeah, thank you, ma. Sri Ananya. Today we are going to learn a new number 1, 3, 13. I think you all have materials in your hand. I want you to separate group of 10 and 3 separately. Okay, group of 10 and 3 separately. Here I have, see here for example, I have stars here, okay. So group of 10 stars I have separately. And group of 3 stars I have separately. Like this, whatever materials you have, channa, groundnut, badam, whatever you have, separate group of 10 and 3 separately. 1, 3, 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. Group of 10 and 3 separately. Come on, all of you. Group of 10 separately and 3 separately. Separate you have to keep. See here. I have group of 10 ice cream sticks and I have 3 ice cream sticks separately I have. Like this you have to separate. Do it. Very good, Mahilini. Which is group of 10 and which is 3?
நமக்கு சொல்லுங்க.
1, 2, 3.
எது?
Which is okay. Group of 10. Extra cashew nut you take it off. Mile is dead.
இல்ல இல்ல It's 10, ma'am.
Then keep it together.
Ah,
Group no, so keep it together. 3 separately.
இரு ஒரு நிமிஷம்.
Group of 10 together ma in a group, and then 3 separately children. 3 தனியா இருக்கணும், group of 10 தனியா இருக்கணும். Correct.
10 இருக்கு.
Group of 10, then 11, 12, 13. Very good. Mitra is ready. Very good ma. Thank you Mailini. Mitra, show me what you have done. What do you have? Say yes ma'am Mitra. Okay, 10 crayons. Group of 10 crayons and 3 crayons separately. Very good. Well done. Jason. Jason.
Group of 10. சொல்லு.
A group of 10 and 3 separately.
சொல்லு.
Very good Jason. Well done. Yeah, 11, 12, 13 separately. Very good. Next is Radyarni. 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 What do you have? Where is group of 10 and 3 separately?
1,
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10. That is group of 10. And then 11, 12, 13 separately. 3 separately. Okay. Very good. Thank you, ma. Thank you, Radyarni. Very good. Ananya. Next is Ananya.
Listen.
Someone tell me which is group of 10? Which is group of 10? Very good. And now 3 separately you have? 3 separately you have? Very good. Well done, Ananya. Next is Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti.
இப்ப சொல்லுங்க.
Very good. Group of 10 and 3. Very good. Kavi Karthika.
அதுதான் வச்சிருங்க. இதுல எடுக்கலாம் பார்த்தா.
Kavi Karthika. Group of 10 and where is 3? Okay, good. Very good, ma Kavi Karthika. Good. Next is Keshav. Madhuvanti, mute yourself, Madhuvanti. Keshav.
Yes, ma'am.
Group of 10.
Group of 10. Mama. 10.
Group of 10. Okay, 3 separately. Where is 3 separately you have? Where is it? I can't see.
Mama.
Okay, good. Very good, Keshav. Next is Taruneshwar. Group of 10. Which is group of 10? 10. Group of 10. Just show me group of 10. Okay. Now 3 separately you have? 3. Where is 3? Cashew nut separately.
இங்க இருக்கு.
Very good. Thank you, ma Taruneshwar. Vihan. Group of 10. Which is group of 10?
Which is group of 10 now? Which is a group of 10?
Which is group of 10?
10.
Hey.
Which one? Wrong.
Wrong.
Show it. Which is group of 10?
10 எதுல சாமி எடுத்து வச்சேன்? காமி சொல்லு group of 10.
Just show it. That's all. You need not count. Just show me. Group of 10.
Show.
This is group of 10.
Point your finger and show this is group of 10.
10.
3 separately. 3 எங்க இருக்கு Vihan?
He mixed it, ma'am.
Mixed everything. Okay, fine. Okay, now segregate everything. I will ask you one more time. Visha. Visha, group of 10.
Group of 10
Very
இருக்கு
good,
பாப்பா.
Visha. Group of 10. And then 3.
3 எங்க வச்சிருக்க? 3.
Very good, Visha. Thank you, Visha. Varsha. Varsha. Group of 10. Varsha. Varsha is not here.
Sure, which is group of 10.
Very good, Varsha. 3. Very good. Thank you, Varsha. Next is Sukriv Gautam.
நான் கூப்பிடுறாங்க.
Sukriv Gautam. Which is group of 10?
Which is group of 10, Sukriv? Show, identify and show which is group of 10.
Group of 10. That is not group of 10. That is 3
She's
only.
showing here, ma'am.
Okay. 3 separately. Very good. Thank you, Sukri Gautam. And now today's worksheet. Come on, children. All of you take today's worksheet. It is D. One minute.
Ma'am, he arranged it, ma'am.
Arrange the Vihan. Show me Vihan.
Show ma'am group of 10. 3.
Very good. 3. Thank you, Vihan. D 1 3 13. Sorry, 1 to 12 empty. D 1 to 12 empty. Take your book, write today's date. Today's date is 1919-7-2121.
D1 to empty, right, ma'am?
D 1 to 12 empty. D12 empty. You will have number 13 in that.
Oh. Oh.
One 1919 dash 7 dash 2121. Children, regular practice looking at the calendar and rote counting only will register the numbers in your mind. So regularly see the calendar and rote count 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12 like that. When you rote count only, you will remember the number. Okay? So keep it in practice regularly, children. While writing also 1, 3, 13. The full number you have to write. Don't write 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3. No. 1, 3, 13. Spell and write 1, 3, 13. Ananya. Spell and write Ananya. 1, 3, 13. Visha, what number you are writing? See here, group of 10 color pencils. What number you are writing, Visha?
என்ன நம்பர் பாப்பா இது? என்ன நம்பர் இது?
1,
சொல்லு. 1 3
Very good. 1, 3, 13. Yeah, I heard. Very good. Group of 10 pencils. 11, 12, 13. So 13 pencils you have, color pencils.
One group na எத்தனை சொன்ன அம்மா? One group na 10. 10 slash பண்ணு. One group na 10 அடி வா. One group na 10 இங்க அடி. 10. ஏன் இப்ப கவுண்ட் பண்ணு. 11 10 க்கு அப்புறம் 11 12 13. 13 இருக்கா? 13 எழுது. First one group na
1, 3, 13. Spell and write, children, everyone.
10 அடிச்சிட்டோம்.
Mahilini, what number you are writing, Mahilini?
மகிழ்னி என்ன நம்பர் எழுதுறீங்க சொல்லுங்க மேம்கிட்ட. 1 3 என்னது அது? 1 3
1, 3, 13. Spell and write. I must see everyone spelling it out and writing. Sukriv Gautam, what number you are writing?
எழுதிட்டு அப்புறம் அந்த போகணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இந்த லைன்
இது என்ன நம்பர் மேம்ட்ட சொல்லுமா?
13. Very good, Sukriv. Good boy. Taruneshwar, what number you are writing? 1, 3, 13. Very good. Varsha?
Varsha? In a number.
What number you are
What
writing?
number is this? What number is this?
1, 3, 13. Spell and write, Kanna Varsha. Come on, spell and write 1, 3, 13. Then only it will get registered in your memory. Come on, children, spell and write. Dashwan, what number you are writing? Parents, please insist them to spell and write. Dashwan. Mitra, what? 1, 3, 13. Very good. Keshav. Mitra, what number you are writing? Very good. Spell and write, Kanna. Come on, spell and write. Vihan, what number you are writing?
What number?
1, 3, 13. எழுதும் போது சொல்லிக்கிட்டே எழுதணும். Okay? Come on,
Okay,
everyone, spell and write. 1, 3, 13. Madhuvanti, what number you are writing? Radhyani, what number you are writing? One, 3, 13. Radhyani, spell and write. Very good. Very good. Spell and write. Good, good. Mute yourself. Very good, ma. Very good, Kesha. Very good, Madhuvanti. Today's homework is, children, you are going to write your own name 5 times in your English notebook and you are going to send it to ma'am today, okay? 5 times in your English notebook, your name in capital letters, okay? Finished? 1, 3, 13. Finish. Very good. Well done, Visha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome. Still, who is writing? Mitra still writing? Very good, Varsha.
I am done.
Very good. Still, who else is writing? Vihan is writing, huh?
Okay.
No. Yes, ma'am. Finish.
Sukri finish? Jason, Sukri. Jason finish, ah? Very good.
Writing, he went to washroom just he came.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Fine, fine. Finish it. Next worksheet we'll move on. That's why I'm asking. Jason, why don't you wash your hands? What happened?
I wash it.
I want it.
You washed it. Very good.
You have water.
ஹேண்ட் வாஷ்லாம் வேணாம் சும்மா தண்ணி மட்டும் கழுவிட்டு வா கரண்ட் இல்ல போ
Those who are finished, I want you to be ready with this worksheet. One to 12 LT. LT worksheet. 12 LT worksheet. Those who are finished, write the date and be ready. Sukri Gautam, write slowly, no need to hurry up, okay? I'll wait for you, okay?
Please, ma'am.
Finish. Okay, very good, ma. Then means take this worksheet. 12 LT.
12
Is there anyone still writing? Still
Last
writing the number worksheet?
last laps, ma'am.
Yeah, right.
Done.
Finish? Yeah, next is the same day LT worksheet. 12, day 12 LT worksheet. Write today's date, children, everyone. 1919 dash 7 dash 2121. Note the today's homework. I think you have no doubts. Today's homework is you are going to write your own name 5 times in English notebook and send it to me in capital letters. You are going to write. Okay, no need of writing in small letters.
Ma'am, சொல்லுவோம்.
First, you have C, small letter. C, trace it, children. First, trace it. And then C for camel or rose. What will come?
C for camel.
C for camel or C for rose? C for? Who knows the answer?
Ma'am, page number, ma'am.
D12LT.
Ma'am, but the image is different, ma'am.
What images do you have?
That's sound.
Not that one. That is D13, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
D12 only I need.
Okay. Sorry, ma'am.
Camel. See the sound, children. Camel. Rose. See which has k sound. Camel only has k sound. Okay. So circle the camel. First circle it and then only we should color, children. Next is small letter D. Standing line and a backside curve. D. See which picture has the D sound. Cap or duck. Which has the D sound, cap or duck? D for duck. Very good. D for duck. Duck. Very good. And then next is C. You have to identify with the phonic sound, children. C sounds K. See which picture starts with the K sound? Candle or basket? Candle or basket? C for candle or basket. Which will you circle? Candle. Very good. K sounds candle. Candle. And next is again you have small letter D. Door or cat. Cat. Which has the D sound, door or cat? D and the sound door or cat, which has the D sound?
Okay. Good.
Which has the D sound, door or cat?
Sure.
Door, very good. So circle the door. Always look into the phonic sound and identify the pictures, children. The door. And finally, you are going to color the circled pictures. After you finish circling and tracing, finally you color the circled pictures.
Because the good.
If you have finished circling, you can start coloring. Want me to share the screen? Everyone finish? C for camel, D for duck, C for candle, and D for door.
சரி ஏதோ பண்ணு D first இது பண்ணு.
Very good. Start coloring. Color da? Finish coloring also, Madhvanti? நான் தான் சொன்னேன்ல. Mute yourself, naughty girl. Without muting, you are speaking everything.
The duck.
Ananya, D for door or what is that, cat? D sound. Children, find where you can hear the D sound and then you circle. Likewise, you have to identify the pictures.
C first போடுங்க. C போடு. There's a
Ananya, what is your problem? Come on, unmute yourself. Let me see.
அதுலயே
Ananya.
சவுண்ட் இருக்கு கேண்டில்
Yes, are you able to identify?
கேண்டிலா பாஸ்கெட்ல
Yes. Finished?
பாஸ்கெட்
Yes, ma'am. Sir.
Yes. Now start coloring. Good girl. Start coloring. Mildly mute yourself.
ஓ
Jason is coloring good. Sukriv Gautam, did you identify correctly?
Ma'am, கேக்குறாங்க பாரு. I finished.
Finished? Very good.
Finish பண்ணிருக்கேன். இப்பதான் கலர் பண்றேன்.
Okay, color.
He's coloring. But actually he was in the C line. He was saying in the previous line you have cap, no ma'am. So he wanted to round cap. He was writing
No,
it.
no, the line which it belongs only you have to do. We'll confuse you like that only.
He just
Very good. It's very smart, this boy, huh? Sukri Gautam, slowly you color, slowa color pannunga Sukri. Very good, Ma Keshav. Kavi Kartika, good. Very good, Kavi Kartika. Well done. Very good, Jason. Good. Madhuvanti, good. Very good, Madhuvanti. Very good. What is your homework today, children? Come on, anyone? What is your homework today? What is the homework I gave you today? Yeah, you have to write your name in capital letters, okay, and send it to me. Those who are finished, take your slate. Those who are finished, take your slate. The last activity will finish. Take your slate. I want you to write small letters A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. 4 letters you have to write. See here. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. We have learned 4 small letters, right? A, B, C, D. Come on. Those are finished can take and write. Others, you continue doing your worksheet. Don't hurry up. Do it slowly. This activity is for those who have finished only. Okay? So please don't hurry up. Do it slowly. Very good. Finished A, B, C, D. Okay, now on top of it, you are going to write the respective capital letters. If A small letter means what capital letter you will write on top? Capital A. Small letter B means you have to write capital B. Small letter C means on top you will write capital C. And D means, small letter D means on top of it, capital D. Like this you have to write. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D, small d. That much big C, Jason. Little bit small. A, B, C, D. Ananya, now you write the capital letters. Taruneshwar, finish? Very good, Keshav. Good boy, Keshav. Finish means take your slate and write A, B, C, D. 4 letters. On top of it, after writing the small letters, you have to write the capital letters. First capital letters எழுதக்கூடாது. No. Okay va? First write small letters. First small letters எழுதுங்க. அதுக்கு மேல capital letters அப்புறமா எழுதணும். Okay?
Ma'am, duck any color we can paint any
Yeah,
color.
yeah, you can give whatever color. Yellow color if you give, it's fine. Or else whatever color you can give.
Okay, adhe color pannu.
Very good, Jason. It's too far, right, Jason? Come on, match that letter. A to A, B to B, C to C, and D to D. It's too far. I've written too close, but you have written too far. No, now match it. Yeah, join it. Yeah, good. Very good, Jason. That's like a smart boy. Good. Very good, Madhuvanti. Vihan. Very good. Kavi Kartika. Good, Ma Vihan. Visha still writing?
Coloring, ma'am.
Yeah, color.
Okay, ma'am.
Varsha finish? What did I tell you already, children? After you finish the session, okay, it's Tamil or English, ordinary period, whatever it is, to clean your slate, children. Clean your slate and keep it in your bag. Okay? Standing line and backside curve. Ananya. Correct. Very good, Ananya. Very good, Visha. Finish. Varsha is writing good. Very good. Well done. Varsha, show me your slate, Varsha. Show me. Wow, very good, Varsha. Your mama has drawn lines for you. Wow, very good. Thank you, Varsha's mom. Good. Well done, Varsha. Welcome. Children, all of you have finished, right? Is there anyone who still didn't finish this activity? Sukri Gautam, let me see your slate. Wow, Sukri. Super. Very good. But the starting point, there is some trouble in starting point, I think.
Ma'am, but he's confused with B.
B and D. The small letter.
Also, he's confused with B.
Small letter, right? Yeah,
small
that
D and
confusion it regularly happens. But while writing, that is what, while writing itself, we have to instruct them. Standing line, front curve, front side. Curve is B and back side, if you draw, it is D. D
But
and D.
he's writing small d in the place of B and B.
That's it.
D in the place.
All because of that confusion. All because of this confusion. In future classes, we'll give some activity regarding that. Don't worry. Very good. But good, Ma Sukri. Everything I've written good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Finish. Very good, Sri Ananya. Good. Kartika, Kavi Kartika, very good. Well done. Everyone have done correctly. Thank you so much for your cooperation, children. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Do your homework and send it to me. Okay? Bye, everyone. Yeah, very good, Visha. Bye. Bye, children. Bye.